Hey, I'm Peter from Super Pacific. We're here to talk about our all-new insulation kit. Let's get into it. All right, so our campers come standard with a 4-season tent, and we wanted to really optimize them for winter camping, so we developed the insulation package, which is essentially a puffy coat to put on the inside of your tent. It's got two main components. There's the ceiling insulation and the sidewall insulation. The ceiling ties into the T-slots on the interior of the clamshell and is held up by the crossbar across the middle. And then the sidewall is attached to the ceiling at a Velcro frame that attaches the sidewalls up to the ceiling. The insulation package also serves as a blackout curtain. So if you were to leave the ceiling in year-round, it would cut down on the amount of sun that can get through, help you sleep in a little bit in the morning. So there's a vent panel here, lines up with the vent on the exterior. So if you need to dump air, that's possible. And then you can just close it back up. The whole door panel can be rolled up if you need access to the exterior. You can open this up and take in the view, check the snow. Yeah, check it out. There's Jordan. We designed the insulation kit using a recycled polyester that we quilted over Primashield's 3.6-ounce synthetic fill insulation. It's the same material that's been used to insulate puffy coats and sleeping bags for years, so it's well proven and it seemed like the obvious choice to line our tents with. So we're stoked to be releasing the winter kit, the insulation package, here this fall, getting everybody queued up for the winter. I'm going to be spending a lot of time up in the snow skiing and very stoked to see what everybody gets up to in their winter adventures.